Good afternoon, this is Rick, one of your friendly trailer salespeople out at Knight Equipment, 8 miles west of Rockford, Illinois. Coming here today again to tell you a little bit about one of our trailer lines that we carry, the Bravo trailer, and today we're going to specifically talk about their brand new product. The technology isn't brand new to them. They've been doing things like this, some special engineering for quite a while. But what they've done is they have put together a trailer for us for those people who want to haul some type of compact machinery that's very heavy. The type of equipment that when you load onto a rear ramp door of an enclosed trailer, you have problems with the ramp door. Oftentimes they don't hold up. So this new model they've come up with, they listened to what we said we needed, and instead of having to do special engineering studies for each case, they came up with a standard model, pre-engineered, all ready to go and start in production, called the Brute. So this is the Brute made by Bravo. And we're going to start by telling you the unique things and the way this trailer is put together, okay? Again, this would be ideal for scissors lifts. It would be ideal for very small skid steers, rollers, stump grinders, things that are heavy and things that have a small footprint, okay? So the unique thing we're needing to talk about is the ramp door. That's where we always get hung up with hauling that type of equipment in an enclosed trailer. So I want to begin by telling you that they have a lot of hinge points for the ramp door, suspending it from the floor. There's actually 5 good heavy-duty hinges on this. And that's important because the ramp door in this case is very heavy because it's reinforced with a lot of metal to hold up under extreme circumstances. So we're going to open this up here and give you a view of the door. Like I said, the door is heavy, and because of that, it has to have an upgraded spring assist system. So that's on this trailer. Again, a lot of framework, extra framework built into the door to withstand all of that weight out on the door all at one time. For these shorter machines, that all of the weight is on the door at one time. This ramp extension is steel tread plate, and you see it has the support beneath it. And then they have covered that with what they call rock guard paint. It's kind of like a truck bed lining. They've used the same material on top of the deck to add some more strength to it. And then take a peek on this one. We have it equipped with a ramp door onto the floor of the trailer. Take away that open space that's about the size of a 2x4. So you got a nice transition from the ground up onto this extension, onto the door itself, across the transition point. And then notice we have a 32-inch dovetail. This is called a dovetail. Some people call it a beaver tail, where the floor of the trailer is actually angled down to take away that point of transition where the floor comes to a ramp door. So look at this nice long transition you have up onto the level floor. So we talked about the integrity of the spring assist, the integrity of the door itself, the integrity of the hinge point. And now I want to tell you that underneath this floor, it's not real easy to show you, but underneath this floor is a whole lot of extra support that's going to take that concentrated weight as the machine comes up onto the trailer floor. The cross members here are all on 12-inch centers, and it's a combination of C-channel and actual tubing. So the floor structure beneath the deck itself is very strong. Now on this trailer also, this is equipped, you can see, with marine type plywood, Womanized plywood, and this is a double floor. So it's 2 3/4-inch sheets on top of that extra framework. Again, we're looking for durability over a long period of time when there's concentrated weight on the floor. Okay? And then they even include, if you know that you're hauling a particular machine often, and you know where those small wheels, perhaps on a scissors lift, where small wheels are going to be located on the deck, they've included some plates that we can screw down at the position of where you're going to be parking those small wheels. So that'll even give it the deck more support at that point. Okay? The rest of the interior, you see we've got a 12-inch high, 3/4 inch kick plate around the bottom. So if you bump into the walls, you got some extra support. The walls themselves are 3/4 inch. This material is called Drymax. It's very strong. It's not like plywood that might warp or come apart. One-piece aluminum roof. Some very simple interior dome lights. And as you look at the height of this trailer, I'm 6'2". The interior height of this trailer, we've got 12 inches extra height on it. So it's 84 inches interior height. Your rear door opening height is about 81 inches tall. Okay? So the key here is a lot of extra framework, having something pre-engineered that we can take an order, they can start building it quick, so we don't have to go through an engineering state on every particular machine. Now, these machine weights we're talking about, they would rate, typically they'd call this a Super Duty ramp door, and they'd rate the door at about 7,500 pounds rolling dispersed. So what we're thinking here, as far as how we'll generically speak to people, is if you're loading something, say 5,500, 6,000 pounds, we're not going to question too much of anything. If you're pushing that, going above that, we'll look at your particular machine and get an opinion from the manufacturer. Okay? So that's the unique features of the Brute. The Brute, the basic chassis, is actually a commercial grade Star, the Bravo Star. And then they've done all the upgrades from that. Okay? Now one other thing I'll point out, this particular trailer has 16-inch tires. It has 6,000 pound Dexter axles, and those are torsion axles. Now when you go to torsion axles, you can select different axles. You can either have this bed height or the box height at a standard height, or you can raise it or lower it. So this has what's called upstart axles that actually lower that whole box an inch and a half. Okay, so between bringing the box down a little bit and going with the extra height, that causes us to have the longer ramp door, and it's going to give us a nicer load angle up onto the machine, or up onto the trailer. Okay? The rest of the trailer, again, is pretty much a basic Star. We have the .030 exterior metal, and it is actually screwed at the seams, and it is screwless in between the seams. Those wall posts are 16 inches on center. Want to brag a little bit about the side door. A lot of your trailers are just a standard RV door made by an RV company, and there's not a lot to them. Bravo manufactures this door. It has a lot of aluminum framework to it. It's hung by strap hinges. It has a bar lock, a flush lock, and a deadbolt, and this door will hold up. This is a nice side door. So we've gone to ordering this door on all of our commercial grade trailers. So this door is made by Bravo. And you'll see here it has a real nice holdback. No plastic holdbacks. This has a good steel holdback. So we can open that door, lock her down. It's a one-hand operation to unlatch that door. Okay, 6-inch tube frame on this particular unit. And here we have the triple tube tongue you will see. And that tongue is extended. On the flat front trailer we normally come out to a 54-inch tongue. And you can see we've included the adjustable coupler. Some guys want to pull with a pintle ring instead of a coupler. Some guys need a little extra help adjusting up and down for their particular tow vehicle. And then we have a 5,000 pound square drop leg jack. And note that jack is set back so you can put the tailgate of a pickup truck down without hitting it. Standard stone guard, anodized front corners, just spices it up a little bit. This unit's in white. I think we have about 11 or 12 standard colors to choose from. So this is the Bravo Brute. So if you got one of those compact machines that are heavy, and all of the trailer people have been telling you, no, you don't want to load that machine on a ramp door in an enclosed trailer, this might be an answer for you. So we've got this unit in stock. We've got another unit in stock. We'll be getting some more of them. This trailer is rated at 12,000 pound GVW. The trailer itself weighs about 4,000 pounds, okay? So you can haul about 8,000 pounds in this trailer. We also have the same size unit with a little bit less features on it, and it has 5,200 pound axles. And then build time right now for a Bravo of this type, be safe, I better tell you, about 10 weeks. There's quite a demand for their product right now. And they're working hard, but having a little trouble keeping up and getting them as fast as what we'd like to have. Okay? So anyway, here you have the Brute. If you got any questions, give us a call. You can see several pictures of this trailer and a full written spec on our website. We do have a live inventory on our website. Try and keep it up daily. So check us out at www.knightequip.com or come out to see us. Thanks for joining us.